The following is brought to you by the law offices of Gersowitz, Libo, and Korek.
I think that one of the topics that's out in the news today, at least in the area that's of concern to attorneys, may be a parochial concern, but it really does affect the public at large. And that has to do with forced arbitration, or the taking away the Seventh Amendment to the Bill of Rights, which guarantees a trial by jury to Americans. And this is a time-honored tradition that predates the founding of America, where we go in front of our peers if we have a grievance against us or that we want to prosecute. Meaning if we have a claim against a neighbor or a claim against someone who has allegedly done us wrong, a jury of our peers, quote unquote, will sit and listen to the evidence with the judge presiding, and they will make a determination, the jury will, as to findings of fact. And that will be the determination of whatever particular dispute there is. And it doesn't have to even be a personal injury matter or a consumer matter, as I like to call this area of the law, consumer law. And a lot of the big corporations we're seeing today are having their employees sign contracts that have to do with taking away the right to jury and mandating that an arbitration be held instead. An arbitration where there'll be one individual who will sit and listen to what the complaint is and make a determination that is not subject to appeal and is in fact the final word. And basically the parameters of this arbitration would be set by the corporation against the little person, or the person that we represent, the consumer. So I think that's something that we as a national organization of attorneys have to be on the lookout for, that there are not going to be any efforts that will be successful on the part of corporations or their legislators that they've given support to over the years to keep them in office or to put them in office, and that we fight for the Bill of Rights provision of the Seventh Amendment that guarantees Americans and New Yorkers to a trial by jury.
If you or a loved one has been injured due to negligence, please call 800-529-9997 or visit lawyertime.com. Put the team at Gersowitz, Libo, and Korek to work for you.